रस्तो पुराण अजून सोपूंक ना। कुठ्ठाळच्या रस्त्यांचो विषय ग्रामसभेत चर्चेक आयिल्लो। अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंगा खातीर 20 खात्यान सगळे रस्ते खणून दवरल्यात। लोक खुबाळ्यात। देखून ग्रामपंचायतीन हो विषय गंभीरतायेन घेतला। काम जाल्या उपरांत रस्ते परत असले तशे करून दिवचे अशें 20 खात्याक कळयतली सरपंचान सांगला।
कुठ्ठाळच्या आयतारचे ग्रामसभेत अर्दकुटे सोडून दिल्ले रस्तो कामाचो विशय चर्चेक येयल्लो। कुठ्ठाळे वीज खात्यान लायटीचे केबल घालपाचो वावर सुरू केला, पूण ते भानगडीत रस्त्यांची वाट लावन दवरल्या। गाडयो चलोवप धोक्याचें जाला। ह्या विशयाचेर थळावी सरपंच सेनिया परेरा आणि थळावी आमदार एलिना साल्डाणा कितें सांगलें पळयात।
That was a very important issue that the roads are being dug for underground cabling and they are not reinstated. Now what is happening, I don't know, but I think what I need to do as the MLA, I will ensure that representatives of the department, that is power department, come on site and we'll discuss with them how the roads are to be reinstated and when are the roads to be instated. Are they to be reinstated in patches as you complete laying down the cable, or are they supposed to be reinstated after the entire work is done? Because in some places, as one villager said, that it appeared to be in level and then when the bike passed it went down. Now these things can be risky, especially to the two-wheelers. And therefore, I'm going to call upon the Honourable Minister for Power and request him to send somebody, some engineers who are handling the project to throw some light on all the queries that the villagers have.
Even I'm following up and they are saying their work is not done. Wherever they can do without फोंडून काम करपा जाता न्हू तितले कडेन ते कोत्ताय। जिंगा फोंडपाची पॉसिबिलिटीज नाय आणि उदका पाइपलाइन्स बी नाय न्हू थिंगा they have to use the machinery or something like that. They are the technical people, they know better than me. But definitely एक पाटी काम काबा जाले म्हणटरी they have to restore our roads back as it was and we are going to be very strict with it and we are going to also make a letter to the department.
कितलो टाइम लिमिट दिला तांकां तुम्ही केबलिंग करपाक?
See, this contract is not given by us, it is given by the electricity department, so you have to confirm.
गोवा 365 खातीर कुठ्ठाळेच्यान हिरू महाले।